In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an order as shipped on Depop. We're going to walk through the full process of updating a sold order after you've already mailed it out using Chrome on your computer. This is an important final step because it lets the buyer know their package is on the way, and it also helps keep your selling activity organized inside Depop. To begin, open Chrome and go to depop.com. Once the site loads, sign in to your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the seller account connected to the order you just shipped so you can access the correct sales information without any confusion. After you're logged in, look toward the top area of the page for your profile picture. Click on it to open the account menu. From the options that appear, choose your selling hub. This is the main area where Depop keeps your selling activity, including orders, listings, and updates related to your shop. Inside the selling hub, find and click Sold Items. This section shows the items that have already been purchased from your shop. Take a moment to locate the specific order you just mailed out. If you've sold more than one item recently, it's a good idea to double check that you're selecting the correct order before making any shipping updates. Once you open that order, look for the Mark as Shipped button and click it. This tells Depop that the item has left your hands and is now with the shipping carrier. It's a simple action, but it's a key part of keeping both you and the buyer on the same page. Next, enter your carrier details and the tracking number for the package. Be careful when typing in the tracking information, since even a small mistake can make it difficult for the buyer to follow the shipment. If possible, copy the tracking number directly from your shipping receipts or confirmation email to avoid errors. When everything looks correct, click Confirm to officially update the order status. After that, the item will be marked as shipped and the tracking information will be attached to the order so the buyer can check its progress. That's it. Once you complete this process, your shipment update is live and the order is properly documented in Depop.